Let's begin. The boy is going to school. This kind of sentence is a simple statement. If you have gone through part 1, you will remember that simple statements are called assertive sentences. Please give me a pen. This is also looking like a simple statement, but as we have discussed before, that imperative sentences are those sentences which contains request, order or advice. So this sentence is making request, so it's imperative sentence. Who left the fridge open? Question mark. In this sentence, someone is asking a question, so it's called interrogative sentence. How beautiful the scene is. As we have already discussed, that a strong feeling, whether anger, wonder, joy, or shock, any kind of strong feeling, reflects that a sentence is exclamatory sentence. I get up early in the morning. It's a simple statement. The simple statement means it is not having any order, request, advice, or feelings. So these sentences are called assertive sentences. Revise your lesson on time. In this sentence, we are advising someone. So the sentences having advice are called imperative. The clown made everyone laugh. Again, simple statement, so assertive. Is Sohail the captain of the team? We are asking question, so it's a interrogative sentence. May God bless you all. We remember that sentences having wish or prayer are called optative sentence. Leave the place at once. It's again an order, so it's called imperative. Let's do the next exercise. Wish you a happy journey. So the sentences having wish are called optative sentence. Pandit Nehru was a noble man. It's a simple statement and simple statements are called assertive. Where is the dog hiding? It's a question form, so it's interrogative sentence. The weather is pleasant today. Again, it's an assertive sentence because it's a declaration of something. How blue is the ocean? It's exclamatory because in exclamatory we show strong feelings. Let's go for a movie. It's a kind of advice, so they are imperative. May your team win the match. It's a prayer, so it's optative sentence. Will you attend the class today? It's a question form. Question forms are called interrogative sentences. Keep quiet. It's an order. So the sentences having order are imperative sentences. Let's do the next sentence. How many hundreds are there? It's a question form. So interrogative. Let's go ahead. Give me some milk, please. So in this sentence, we are requesting someone. It will be imperative sentence. Is the baby sleeping? A question form. Question forms are called interrogative. He was born in 1983. It's a simple statement without any emotion, wish, or request, order, and advice. So it will be an assertive sentence. Wish you happy birthday. It's a wish. Such sentences are called optative sentence. Alas, I am ruined. It's an exclamatory sentence because of having a strong feeling of sadness. Please share your lunch. It's a request, so imperative. I remember his contact number. It's a simple statement, a statement which is having declaration or which is stating something is called assertive sentence. What a lovely remark he gave. We can also see that the sentences ending with the exclamation mark are either exclamatory sentences or optative sentence. But how can you differentiate? That if it's showing a strong feeling, then it will be exclamatory. If it is showing wish or prayer, then it will be optative. How far is the school? It's a question form.